Hi friends, welcome back to my channel infomorebox. Today I am going to provide more information about VOLTZ brand wall chaser. You can see different models of wall chaser: 115 mm, 125 mm, 133 mm and 160 mm. Please see this video till the end so that you will get all the information and you will learn how you install this product. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Let's start with the unboxing of wall chaser 115 blade model. The price of this wall chaser on Amazon is now showing 10,990. Buying links are mentioned in the description box. The contents are one wall slotting machine, one water pump, 5 slaw blade, one 3-meter pipe, one vacuum cleaner adapter and one box. Idling speed is 7500 rpm, maximum slot width is 25 mm, cutting depth is 30 mm, saw blade diameter is 115 mm and saw blade quantity is 5 piece. It has magnesium alloy head shell, power is 3000 watt and voltage is 220 volt input. You can check out the dimension and weight of this product in this image. Next we can see the unboxing of wall chaser model number 125 blade. The price of this machine is on Amazon is 13,960 rupees. Contents are one wall slotting machine, one water pump, 5 slaw blade, one 3-meter pipe, one vacuum cleaner adapter and one box. The net weight of machine is 6.5 kg and power is 4200. The product is available with 220 volt. Main body size is 50 cm, depth 30 cm, width and 20 cm is height. This model has laser light. Idling speed is 5000 rpm, maximum slot width is 40 mm, cutting depth is 36 mm, saw blade diameter is 125 mm, saw blade quantity is 5 piece. Next unboxing model is wall chaser 133 blade. The price of this wall chaser on Amazon is 15,800. Contents are one wall slotting machine, one water pump, 5 slaw blade, one 3-meter pipe, one vacuum cleaner adapter and one box. Speed is 5000 rpm, maximum slot width is 42 mm, cutting depth is 41 mm, saw blade diameter is 133 mm, saw blade quantity are 5 pieces. Net weight of this machine is 7.2 kg. It has magnesium alloy head shell and power is 550 volt and it supports voltage of 220 volt. Main body is 60 cm, 41 cm is width and 31 cm is height. This model has laser light. Last we watch unboxing of wall chaser 160 blade model. The price of this wall chaser on Amazon is 20,800. Net weight of this machine is 11 kg. Power is 6000 watt and it supports voltage of AC input 220 volt. Main body size is 62 cm, depth 43 cm is width and 30 cm is height. This model has laser light. The contents are one wall slotting machine, one water pump, 5 slaw blade, one 3-meter pipe, one vacuum cleaner adapter and one box. Idling speed is 5000 rpm, maximum slot width is 40 mm, cutting depth is 52 mm, saw blade diameter is 160 mm, saw blade quantity are 5 pieces. Now you can check out product installation process. Please see this video carefully. How you can fix the saw blades in the machine. Now you can insert the saw blades. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and comment. Please click the subscribe button.